I'm Ray Fernbach, the Design and Marketing Coordinator for Inspire Marketing Services, and in this video I'm covering the most basic touch point of every brand, business cards, and how to get yours right. So there's a really great business card example that came across our desk, and it really wowed us and kind of set us back and kind of got the gears rolling for the genesis and the gist of this video. So to give a little background, it came through by a company of Admore. This is obviously not the business card. What Admore does is create basically presentation materials, so folders at its core, and then sales boxes, portfolios, and then they do a lot of really neat sort of custom effects similar to this, right? This is a UV spot gloss. Basically, they put a poly-coated ink on top of this and then run it through a UV curing heater, and it basically bevels the ink a little bit and raises it. It gives a sort of really neat 3D effect. So they make folders, right? So business card, their business card looks simple on the outside, but it's a folder at the root, right? It's a really simple sort of die cut. It's just a really easy, clean die cut and then a quick glue job. Really super simple. What makes this obviously great is that is its relevance, right? They're a folder company. Let's make our business card into a folder. And there isn't any personal information, right? There's no salesperson, but the impact comes across all the same. So essentially, we have, for instance, our business cards, right? Just a simple business card, front and back, but we have it personalized, which is more impactful, right? This business card or this business card, and I'll throw ourselves under the bus, right? This is great because it's showing exactly what you do, being relevant with your message, and people are going to interact with it a lot more, right? Similarly, this came across Identitronics. What they do, they create cards, right? Access badges, things of that nature, right? And they have a bunch of different materials that they can print their cards on. They can do a bunch of die cuts, so on and so forth. So similarly, they printed their business card on their badge material so that people can test it out, say, okay, well, this isn't crap. Let's go and get a card with them, right? And then they have the features on the back of the card, on top of additionally the contact information on the front. So kind of two different sort of examples on relevance, right, versus an example that necessarily isn't relevant. So how do you level up your business card game? Like, what if you're a beauty brand and you just wanted to print on a bar of soap, right? And it could just be a thin thing, right? Not a massive bar, so to speak. Or a printing company, maybe more executable, just a small little aluminum printing plate, and it could have little hole punches on the on the ends, right? So you get that print effect, right? And an Etsy business, put your brand on whatever product you have. If you're if you make coasters or whatever, put it on a little coaster, right? So that there's some sort of relevance within your brand and your message, and people are so much easier to connect to the dots. One of the biggest things, especially since there's so many sort of tech isms and different names for everything, is that people have an increasingly difficult time of connecting your brand and what the brand actually does, right? Inspire Marketing Services, right? It's kind of vague. You don't really know what we do at the end of the day, right? Things of this nature help connect the dots with your consumers, and it makes it easier and much more impactful. So that's that. If you want to see more of what's to come, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. Just click the subscribe button just below. If you want more of the best curated tangible marketing ideas out there, go to inspiremarketingservices.com and subscribe to our newsletter. It is 100% free. And so now I'll turn it over to you. What do you think of the movie, or what do you think of the video? Let me know by leaving a comment below, and thanks.